We just talked about decreasing, and now I'm going to show you how to do a mitered square with decreases. So this was shown in my video about doing increases in crochet, but I just wanted to separate it out to make it specifically about the mitered square also. So if you already saw it in the previous video, then you don't need to watch this one because it's exactly the same. So in this example, you start with the big long chain and every row you decrease. So in this particular square, we're decreasing 4 stitches every row, and this is worked with double crochet. So I'm going to do kind of a small sample just so you get the idea of how it works. So I'm going to start with a multiple of 4 stitches. I did a chain of 16 for this one. And now I'm going to work 3 chains, which counts as my first double crochet. And I'm going to skip that first stitch, and I'm going to double crochet in the next one. Now, because I started with 16 stitches, I'm going to have 5 double crochet and then my first decrease. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, if I wanted this to look nicer, I could work in that back bump of the chain, but I don't feel like it right now, so I'm not going to. And again, I'm using a size H crochet hook and Caron Simply Soft yarn for this sample. Okay, so I have 5 double crochet, and now I'm going to work a double crochet 3 together to decrease. So I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook, pull through, stop, and do the next one. So now I've done 3 stitches, 3 double crochets, all the way up to the last step. Then I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. Now I'm going to do a double crochet decrease again. So see how my project is starting to turn? And then I'll have 5 double crochet. I'm going to do my turning chain. Now instead of 5 double crochet, I'm only going to have 3 because I just decreased by 2 on each side. So that's 1, 2, 3. Now my decrease, I double crochet 3 together, so that's 1, 2, 3, and then another double crochet 3 together, 1, 2, 3, and then 3 double crochet to finish off the row. Turning chain, and we're coming up on the end here. So now I'm already ready for my decrease. I just had 1 double crochet, and now I'm ready for my double crochet 3 together. 1, 2, 3, then my other double crochet 3 together, and then a double crochet in my turn chain. And now I'm on my last row. So I'm going to do my turn chain, but I'm only going to do it 2 tall instead of 3 tall. I'm going to make it a little bit shorter just for my very tip of my corner. I'm going to turn, I'm going to double crochet 3 together with my last 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to pull through all 4. And I make that turn chain just 1 stitch shorter on this row just because I think it makes it a little less bulky. So this is the corner of my mitered square. I started the bigger square with 48 stitches to make it a 6 by 6 inch square, but you can make it whatever size you want. Just start it with a multiple of 4 stitches so that you end up being able to decrease by 4 stitches every time. So that is how to do a double crochet mitered square with decreases. If you want to see the version with increases, check out the next video. Happy crocheting! Don't forget to subscribe.